Xiaomi Smart Camera C302. Review and Installation Guide. Best Budget Indoor Security Camera. Looking for an affordable indoor security camera with sharp video and smart features? The Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 could be a great budget option, but there are a few things you should know before buying. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 features a 3-megapixel sensor with 2304 by 1296 resolution, giving you clear 2K video for monitoring rooms, pets, children, or general home activity. It also offers 360-degree horizontal coverage with pan and tilt control, so you can move the camera remotely through the Xiaomi Home app. For nighttime monitoring, you get both low-light color imaging and infrared night vision. Another useful feature is smart detection. The camera can detect people and track movement, while supported regions and settings may also offer features such as pet detection, unusual sound detection, and baby crying alerts. Two-way audio lets you communicate through the camera as well. Installation is fairly simple. You can place the C302 on a flat surface or mount it to a wall or ceiling using its mounting base. After connecting the camera to power, setup is completed through the Xiaomi Home app. For storage, it supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB, while cloud storage options may also be available depending on your region. The camera also supports H.265 video encoding, which can help reduce storage requirements. Privacy is another advantage. The C302 includes a physical lens shielding feature that can cover the camera when you don't want it recording. However, remember that this is an indoor camera and it requires constant power. Also, some features and cloud services can vary depending on your country. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart Camera C302 is a solid choice if you want 2K video, wide coverage, night vision, smart detection, and easy app control without moving into a more expensive security system. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you choose the C302 for your home.